What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing for beginners and how to start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling the products or services of other companies through their own affiliate links. Put simply, when a person purchases through your affiliate link, you receive a commission from that sale. As an affiliate marketer, you can sell products and services from a variety of companies as well as niches and earn commissions off of all of them. However, to get started in affiliate marketing, it is important that you have at least some basic knowledge of how to go about affiliate marketing for beginners. Here are some tips to help you out. The most important thing when it comes to affiliate marketing is traffic. Getting targeted traffic to your affiliate marketing web pages and links is what will make you money. The key to getting traffic is to get found in search engines. And then you need to have a way to convert that traffic into leads or sales. So, how do you get found in search engines? You get traffic by ranking highly in the major search engines. For affiliate marketing, this usually means organic traffic, one that is created naturally by the search engines. If you're about to start affiliate marketing, you need to have some online marketing skills so you can create and manage your web pages and links. There are many free online advertising resources. You can also learn how to make effective ad copies, how to set up PPC campaigns, and how to target specific audiences. If you want to start making some money with affiliate marketing, you need to know how to start earning right away. Online marketing skills are especially important if you want to start selling ebooks or other digital products right away, and you want to start focusing on conversion rates. One of the most important tips to affiliate marketing for beginners is to learn how to leverage social media and other online tools to help you drive traffic to your web pages. The power of social media and sites like Facebook and Twitter is that they allow you to reach people who are looking for solutions to problems like yours. Social media allows you to build relationships and trust with these people who become loyal customers when you give them good information. If you want to get into affiliate marketing, you need a website or blog with content that is closely related to your niche. An e-commerce website is a great place to do this, as it gives you an opportunity to showcase what you have to offer to your readers and visitors. Start building a list of subscribers today by subscribing to email lists and promoting affiliate offers on social media. You can also use pay-per-click advertising to promote affiliate offers in search engine listings. If you're ready to get paid by affiliate marketing, it is important that you build a mailing list today. This is a very important part of the affiliate marketing process. In fact, some affiliate marketing strategies don't even get started without a list. Build a list today by promoting affiliate offers on social media or offering free reports on your website or blog. You can even get paid by pay-per-click if you know how to do this right.